Hi everyone. Here, our students, our team is there to discuss the topic based on case study topic based on the non-ideal characteristics of mass transistor. So here, our students one by one they will start discussing about this topic.
Hello everyone, we are here to discuss the case study on non-ideal characteristics of mass transistor. We will typically explore the deviations of ideal behavior of metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, and the non-ideal affects the performance and operations of its practical circuits. By non-ideal characteristics, however, the real-world application of MOSFETs exhibits the non-ideal characteristics due to physical changes, environmental conditions, and manufacturing limitations. These deviations leads to reduces performance and operations like power consumption, reduced speed, and reliability issues.
So I am going to tell about the types of non-idealities in MOS transistor. So in practice, the threshold voltage variation can vary due to the variation process body effects. Next, the threshold voltage variation increases as the source bulk voltage increases. Next, this affects the power consumption and characteristics. So next is channel length modulation. As the channel length modulation decreases, the drain voltage increases. And next, this effect lead to the reduced control over the transistor current and degraded the performance. Followed by Kaushik, I want to explain about short channel effect and probability degradation. Short channel effect, as the channel length decreases, the the gain over gate in channel reduces. This also increases the leakage current and reduces the reliability. And next, we have seen about mobility degradation. In mobility degradation, it occurs due to the scattering effect, and it also leads to drive current and overall performance.
Hello all, I am going to talk about brain-induced barrier lowering and impact ionization. First, brain-induced barrier lowering. In the short channel devices, a high drain voltage can reduce the potential barrier at source channel junction, allowing to flow the voltage at lower gate than the expected one, which reduces the threshold voltage and leads to increased leakage. And the second one, impact ionization. High energy carriers can ionize atoms in the lattice, generating additional electron hole pairs. This effect leads to the increase in current.
Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss about the topic threshold leakage. In ideal case, the MOSFET should not contain any current below the threshold voltage. But when we discuss about non-ideal behavior, in reality some current flows even when the gate voltage is less than the threshold voltage. This current leakage leads to power dissipation, especially in low power devices and deep submicron technologies. The next topic I am going to discuss about is gate leakage. In ideal case, the gate oxide should perfectly isolate the gate from channel. When we discuss about non-ideal behavior, in modern MOSFET with ultra-thin gate oxide, quantum mechanic tuning causes significant leakage current through the gate, which increase in static power consumption.
Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about the temperature effects. In reality, temperature variations can affect the electron mobility, threshold voltage and leakage current, which degrades the performance and the reliability. On concluding the case study on ideal characteristics of MOS transistor, it poses significant challenges in modern IC designing and particularly in deep submicron technologies. Understanding these effects and implementing appropriate designs and manufacturing strategies is crucial to maintaining the performance, power efficiency, and reliability in MOS-based devices. This case study highlights how real-world MOSFET behavior deviates from the ideal and how engineers must take these non-idealities into account to ensure optimal device operations. Thank you.
As per the discussion by our students, here we can conclude that there are several other parameters we need to consider for the best performance of the MOS transistor. Thank you.